MaterialRecycled Material. ColorEspresso. Shelf type vinyl record storage cube. Number of shelves 2. Finish TypeVeneer. Assembly required yes. It's not wood, it's better, made with eco-friendly and sustainable zBoard, non-toxic and free of formaldehyde VOC. Lifetime guarantee. Happiness with product and service promised by our CEO and founder. Tool-free assembly. Easy to assemble, no tools required, just peel the 3M adhesive strips and put together with easy align pins. Strong and durable, maximum load 30 pounds, recommended, made to stand upright, do not place on side or back. Dimensions: exterior D, 14.2 W, 18.0 H, 29.1 interior D, 13.6 W, 16.4 H, 13.4. Top reviews from the United States. Would give 10 stars if I could. Very easy to assemble, needs no tools. I use mine to hold vinyl records. Very spacious. Light, yet sturdy. Absolutely love this. Customer service is very responsive. Not that I had any serious issue, just mentioned that the delivery guy left it where rain got to it. They wanted to be sure I was okay or did I need replacement parts.